Okay, we begin here at Ayala Triangle Tower 1. Looky, napakaganda, no? Oo, dati alam ko yung PSE nandito eh. Ay, wait lang ha. O, kasi pupunta tayo dun sa Triangle. Oh, di ba? Dito sa center. Sa center. Ito kasi Ayala Avenue. So, hindi yan ang airstrip dun sa Makati. Makati yung airstrip. At malapit na naman po yung Paseo de Rojas is that one. Ay doon. Doon banda. So that is Ayala Avenue. Doon sa susunod na yan, doon actually yung Makati Ave. Doon naman sa opposite direction, ang Paseo de Rojas. Ayala Triangle, ang tawag po dito. Look. Philippine Stock Exchange dati, pero ewan ko lang, parang di na ngayon eh. Kasi yung Stock Exchange, parang nandun, ewan ko ba, kung meron din dito, meron din doon sa BGC. Siguro, ganito lang siya, parang walang tao dahil, syempre, it's a Sunday today. Diba? O, ayan o. Ganda, diba? Tower 1. Tower 1 daw po eh. Entrance, exit. This is called the Ayala Triangle. Oo, kung saan, kung nagkakaroon po ng mga light show during Christmas. Pero ngayon, wala pa yata. Ang daming nagwo-walking dito, nagti-TikTok. At kung iba-iba, kung ano-ano pa mga panagagawa, syempre. No? Kasi, ito po yung open space and something green para sa mga taga Makati. Okay. Oh, nandyan yung WTA, open book. It's a small library. Oo, where you can donate books. Oh, and read books, of course. Oh, may nag-skating, may nagti-TikTok. Okay, oo, everybody doing their own thing, of course. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Oh, ay merong water something, oh. Parang waterfalls. And there are lots of cats here. Oh, di ba? Mga pusang gala. Tea roasters. For those who are dining, nandyan. Okay. Ganda naman. Oh, di ba? Di mas marami ng greens. Kasi dapat sa development, ang kailangan na green spaces is at least 40%, 40 by 60, 40% by 60%. So, ayan. Ayan yung open book. Let's get inside. Ganda, no? Ang ganda niya kaya. Oh, look. Parang it's like a triangle. Oo, ano ba, in between. Pero hindi naman siya mauulan na, no? Pero dyan banda, parang sloping. Ewan ko lang. Mababasa ba pag umuulan? Kasi meron palang gutter doon. To collect the water just in case it would rain. Hindi naman pala. Para may open space din on top. Ayan. So you can read here. And you can donate books as well. See? Nice. Help us grow our library. Okay. Mga poetry and so on. Okay. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? The open book. Give a book, get a book. Okay, para exchange pala. You can dine and drink coffee in a very lush and green environment. Ganda. Very nice. Makati. Ayala Triangle. Opo, TikTok capital, capture your best moments here. Really? Galing, no? Let me see kung talagang makapture nga. Wow! O, diba? Capture your best moment here. Hello! Welcome to Ayala Triangle. This is a very beautiful green, lush and green area, which used to be the airport here in Manila. It's not the first, but it's actually the second, because there's a first one in 1935 at Grace Park, Caloocan City. Ito po yung pangalawa, because this was opened in 1937. Tapos nung nasira siya ng World War II, it was not renovated or restored anymore. Doon na lang po ginawa sa Nichols Air Base, which is now terminal yung NAIA. Nichols Air Base, which is now Villamor Air Base. See? Ayan, best spot, sabi. Best capture. Ang dami kala. Ang lalaki ng mga trees. Place where you can play badminton. And then, sit on the grass, camping, eating, basta bring your trash with you. Anyway, there are so many trash bins. So, recyclables and then yung mga whatever. Separated, segregated naman lahat. Okay. Ayan o, look. Ganda, diba? Ganda niya. Napakaganda niya. BDO doon. Ayan, BDO tower din. Yan. Ewan ko anong tower. Yan. Tapos kasi, meron namang sarado. So, we can't go up there. Kasi meron siyang, harang. Ganda, no? It's really a green space. Napakaganda. Wala na nakalagay na don't step on the grass, no? So, Ayala Triangle Gardens North. Nakalagay dito, the inauguration of Ayala Triangle Gardens North marks the culmination of Phase 2 of the Ayala Triangle Gardens Master Plan, complementing the Tower 1 and Exchange Plaza, which was completed in 1997. So the development further boosts Makati's status as the country's premier central business district, guided by a progressive program that harnesses purposeful civic spaces that seamlessly integrate the site's landscape and the development of the landmark architecture, conducive for both business growth and community development. So today and for generations to come, Ayala Triangle Gardens North stands as a symbol of the shared responsibility of communities to embrace and practice sustainability, to preserve and ultimately enhance the well-being of one another and of the environment. So Ayala Triangle Gardens North, despite the challenges both by the COVID pandemic, marks Ayala Land's continued commitment to nation building and equitable economic progress. This landmark development further stands as a witness to the unwavering resilience and steadfast determination of the Filipino people, driven by our people's inherent spirit of bayanihan. May it inspire hope, inculcate a strong spirit of empathy and unity, and ignite meaningful action to protect our shared future. Dedicated this month of September in the year 2022 in Makati City. September din pala siya. Fernando Zobel de Ayala, Chairman, Ayala Land Incorporated, and Bernard Vincent O.D., President and CEO, Ayala Land Incorporated. Yan po. So who knows, this might be a century-old tree. Okay, Lepanto. I know now that the portion dyan, that portion there is actually Paseo de Rojas. Tama, Paseo de Rojas. Ganda, oh. Napakaganda talaga po. Napakaganda naman talaga. Very beautiful place. Green space. May mga ano, kasi ang dami dito. Maraming mga alagang pusa. Mga pusang gala. Oh, there. Okay. Nice one. Nice one. Ganda. Pero may mga cats and dogs together. Ganda ng green spaces, no? Pwedeng maglatag dyan. Okay, ng mat. And then, pwede kang mag-picnic-picnic. Ang ganda. Ayala Triangle Gardens. Rules for everyone to enjoy our park. Ayan. Please observe the following. Adults should accompany children. Dispose trash properly. Ayan. Leash pets at all times. O, diba? What are not allowed? Alcohol, gambling, and deadly weapons, skateboarding, cycling, and all motorized vehicles except motorized wheelchairs. No cooking on site. Ayan, o, gathering for political and religious activities, hindi rin allowed. Extended or overnight sleeping, not allowed. Other disruptive activities, not allowed. So, park is open 6 to 12 midnight. Tingnan nyo naman. O, diba? So, guys, if this is Makati Avenue, that means ito yung isang airstrip. Diba? This was one of the runways. Kasi yung runway daw, itong Makati Avenue and yung Rojas, Paseo de Rojas. So, kaya ito po yung whole area na to. Oo, is the first airport. Hindi siya first actually kasi on 1937 lang ito. Meron pang 1935 dun sa Grace Park, Caloocan. So, dun tayo simula kanina doon sa Tower 1, diba? Basta naalala ko dati, yung PSE nandun, Philippine Stock Exchange. Baka close lang siya dahil Sunday today. Pero, okay, it used to be a very busy place. Ito pala, Blackbird. Entry dyan. Yan, that's the Blackbird. Ang ganda naman, oh. At the Nielsen Tower. Ay, ito pala yung Nielsen Tower, which used to be the tower. Okay, ng airport dito. So, tingnan natin doon ha. Entry po dito. Ayan yung kanilang tower sa airport. Siyempre, pagka may airport, meron pong tower. Puntahan natin. Okay, ito po yung kanyang historical marker, Nielsen Tower. Ipinatayo noong 1937 sa lupaing pag-aari ng mga Ayala at Sia. Ang Nielsen Tower ay nagsilbing himpilang pampasahero at sentro ng pamamahala ng paliparang Nielsen. Ginamit mula 1937 hanggang 1947. Ang paliparang ito ang unang makabagong at komersyal na paliparang pandaigdig sa bansa noong ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig at sa magkahiwalay na panahon. Ito ay naging punong himpilan ng kapwa-hukbong sandatahan ng Hapon at ng Estados Unidos. Sa muling pagsasaayos ng gusali, pinanatili ng Ayala Group of Companies ang orihinal na arkitektura nito bago magkadigma upang magsilbing tagapagpagunita sa pangunguna nito sa larangan ng transportasyon at komunikasyon. Ngayon, ang gusaling ito ang kinalalagyan ng Pilipinas Heritage Library at nagsilbing kawing ng bansa sa daigdig sa pamamagitan ng ugnayang pangkaalaman. Okay, pero yung library daw na yan ay nandoon na po sa Ayala Museum. Okay. So, ito po yung Nelson Tower, which used to be the tower for the airport na, which is called Nelson Tower. Okay, punta natin sa malayo para makakita natin. Hindi naman daw siya tinaasan, ganyan lang siya talaga. Opo, ayan lang siya, parang bahay lang. Para pong bahay lang siya, but that's already the tower for the airport called the Nelson Tower. That used to be the Nelson Tower. Nakita niyo po yung nasa taas na yon, protruding. Ayan po yung tower niya. Okay, kasi maliit din lang siyang airport eh. So, commercial airport din pala siya. Oh, diba? Ang ganda din. So, when they tried to restore it, ginawa nila talagang as much as possible, close to the original. Oh, diba? So, andyan po yung Ayala Triangle. Ito yung Blackbird ang nakalagay po dyan at the Nelson Tower. Blackbird po yung cafe or the restaurant.